In this video, I'll show you how to block YouTube ads, completely free. Let's get started. If you use a computer or laptop, open your browser, go to the Chrome Web Store.
Now go to Chrome search bar, and search Chrome Web Store. Select this link. Click search bar, search extension's name. Why choose the Stands Ad Blocker Chrome extension?
It's a free and safe ad blocker, and easy to use. Just install, and watch freely.
Click Add to Chrome. Now, click Add Extension. Just OK.
That's it for today's video. If this helped you, please click like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one, ad-free.